This summer, I get to do research with Dr. Vasavda, who's in the bioengineering department, and her specialty is on neck studies and neck muscle movement and that kind of thing. But she's been willing to team up with me on a project to study a lower limb, so that's really exciting for me.
After my sophomore year, I got to be in this program to do a research project, and so I got to work with one of the faculty in the biology program, and so I was working one-on-one with Dr. Webster. It was sex ratio biasing in redback fairy wrens.
My first summer I did undergraduate research with Tom Dickinson. We wanted to make really tiny crystals, and when I say tiny I mean really tiny. Like the width of a human hair is 80,000 nanometers on average, and so the crystals we were trying to make were like 50 nanometers. So I mean, these are extremely small, and we tried it, and we ended up, instead of making crystals, we made little like holes in the surface, and these holes were like as small as like 50 nanometers wide.
I got to work with the samples, the blood samples, and extract DNA from that, and learn how to do PCR reaction, and run out the gel and determine whether it was male or female, and then we would count all the males to female ratios and then determine if there was a bias one way or another.
When you do research, you pull from other papers. You pull from other people who have done similar things, and nobody had done this on this scale. They had done it, but thousands upon tens of thousands of times bigger. And so we took this process and shrunk it down to an amazing level to make them way tinier, the diameter's a lot smaller and a lot deeper.
It was hands-on learning, and so it was really different from being in the classroom. And so I got a lot of experience just with graduate school settings, like what that would be like, because that's what I plan on doing, going to grad school.
It's really cool to know that given that opportunity to research something like that, and given the equipment, you have the ability to research something that nobody's ever done before.